Hey, thanks for joining me again here on Moflakes. I'm going to make a bunny snowflake. I hope you like bunnies. You should give it a try. You can use the template or just watch the video and do it yourself. But as I always say, just flake it till you make it. Let's get started.
Take a sheet of printer paper and fold a triangle. Cut off the extra so that you have a square. You're going to fold it in half to mark the center, and then you're going to use that center mark to fold it into thirds. You're going to fold it in half one more time, which will give you 12 layers of paper. I'm going to start by cutting the bunny's ears. I'm making this bunny snowflake because Easter is this week. But you can make a bunny snowflake any time of year. Did you know that the Easter bunny is German? No, seriously. Tradition of the Easter bunny originated among German Lutherans. The Easter hare. The Easter bunny was a judge, kind of like Santa, judging if kids were being good or disobedient. The Easter bunny, also like Santa, brings gifts, usually carrying eggs that have been colored in baskets. When I'm done cutting the snowflake, I will turn it into a template that you can download from my website at moflakes.com. I'll put a link in the description.
All right, what did you think of this snowflake? How could it be better? What do you think I should put on my next snowflake? Put all your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next snowflake. It could be your idea. Bye.